If you've started an online business, there will come a time when you will have to create an ad. Whether it's for social media or for an email banner, that time will most definitely come. Unfortunately, not everyone has access to a professional designer. That's why a lot of people these days are relying on AI tools to get the job done. But can AI actually replace professional designers? Well, today we're gonna find that out. We're putting a bunch of AI tools to the test with the help of two professional designers, Rouslan and Martinez. Say hello, guys.
Hey, what's up?
You guys will have 30 minutes to create an email banner using AI tools of your choice. But it's not just going to be any email banner, because we've prepared a specific concept for you guys to create the email banner on, and you guys will be able to follow along with the process the whole way through and see where these AI tools fall short and what they're actually really good at. And then in the end, we will see your beautiful email banner results. Now, once the 30 minutes end, I want your hands off of the keyboard and the challenge will be done. Now, let's take a look at the concept.
Okay, so we received a design task for a banner image for an email campaign for Galaxy Fit Bar, a sci-fi inspired fitness brand rooted in science fiction. To help promote their new juice bar, Voyager vitamins must include a starry galaxy, a holographic texture element, and decided color palette. Okay, sounds interesting.
Yeah? Okay, awesome. So let's get started. I'm gonna leave you guys to it.
So Martinez, what's your main tools today?
My mostly common to use Midjourney when I'm doing like the AI visuals. So I think Midjourney, I will try to implement prompt from ChatGPT to Midjourney to make some backgrounds, textures, I don't know, maybe even create a logo, then implement the logo with nano banana to the maybe protein bar, so it could be like a mock-up that could go for the email banner. So yeah, what about you? Like what you'll be using? Like it's interesting to hear.
I'm planning to use Google's Gemini for as an LLM for debriefing, for understanding the concept more deeply. So speaking about image generation, I'm planning to use Freepik AI because, you know, it's not so obvious tool because everybody knows Freepik as a like stock image library and this is it. But actually, Freepik have a lot of interesting things, especially related with the AI. So I guess this is it. I will try to not use actually Photoshop, but we will see.
Still, Photoshop has like a lot of AI features, so like people are thinking that Photoshop is really difficult to use, but I think like nowadays anyone can use Photoshop.
Yeah.
If you have money for it. So just if you have money, use Photoshop. Like there are so many AI features that are so easy and everyone can use it. So feel free to try.
Right now, these all new features like AI models, like Nano Banana, they are completely free. But if you have Creative Cloud subscription,
it's a nice commercial for Adobe.
Yes.
And I think like we can start. Okay, so what I will be doing, just going to ChatGPT and asking to create me a Starry Galaxy background for email banner for a Midjourney prompt. As from my screen, I already asked to create a Midjourney prompt that could be copied and used in Midjourney, and we'll see what kind of background I will receive. I also, while it generates the visual, I'll be asking to create a texture for the visual as well to create some, you know, depth for it. So I already received some Galaxy backgrounds, which looks pretty nice. It looks like really futuristic.
I've done right now. I created separate chat in Gemini. I already prepared some basic instructions and I'm just gonna copy it and put it in Freepik. So I didn't pay attention to the prompt that I received and I received pretty unobvious results. You can see that I have not mock-up of the feed bar, but I have like the whole image of Voyager vitamins. I
already have upscaled image, and as you can see, like the textures are like so good. It's like it could be like a wallpaper, you know. And now, like as you can see, like even though like our banner size is like 1,200 pixels in width, it's just like the scaled image is so much bigger, so it has like all the quality in it, and it will look it will look professional.
Yeah.
So yeah, now let's wait for the results of the healthy bar. And the first results are not it looks good, but it's not what I need. I need empty visuals, so I'll try to change a little bit the prompt. So basically what I need is completely empty design of the healthy bar, so I could implement my own logo and colors later on to that packaging. I still receive pretty bad results, like it's not even realistic, but
that's fine.
You can
That's
see like
fine.
So once I can't receive any results I want, you can always go to the Google, same old Google, find the image as a reference and paste it to Midjourney as a style reference, and then recreate the prompt shot. So then Midjourney understands the concept of it.
All right, so when you described everything, I just tried to do the same, but in the opposite way and in Freepik. And actually,
Looks so good.
yes, it is. So I really love this image, and some tips and tricks regarding Freepik. We can see what the model were used for generating the images. And for example, I really love this image, and I see that it was generated by Dream 3. So I guess I want to have more results with Dream 3, so I will select in model. Wow, this is stunning. I love this mockup look.
Yeah, it looks so nice.
I can even sell it on Freepik because I can upload this as PSD and
like I also thinking that maybe I'm thinking like a little bit too abroad, and I should just generate something like that instantly, not by creating different sets, because I received the image that I wanted, but it's still like not a result like that would be like in the highest quality. So I'm struggling a little bit here, like the time is going, and I'm going in a very short way, so I think like I should move faster, and we'll see how it will go on.
So right now I want to generate the design of the packaging itself, because previously I generated mockup for it, and using also Freepik, I will put the design into the mockup. It works really well, and voila, as I said, like I love this planet. it's something
Yeah,
like
so good, so good.
it's weird, but it works for me. But there is some realism, I guess.
All right, guys, we're about at the halfway mark.
Really.
And I just wanted to see how we're doing and what you guys accomplished so far. Oh, those are nice.
It is.
This is with Freepik?
Yes, with a Dream model, so it works.
I can see the vision, like the galaxy bar. It's so nice. Oh my God. Okay, and what else are you planning to put in your design?
Some kind of classic things. So I will stick to this thing, and also I will add some necessary information like logotype, like grams, how much protein.
Right.
That's
Awesome. Okay, I can't wait to see what you end up with, Martinez.
Yeah, I'm still struggling. Like Midjourney doesn't give me like the right visuals, so I'm still like waiting for good results.
I mean, this is pretty.
It's okay, but
why
still
is
like
the bar
yeah, it's
the same color as the
just
galaxy?
a prompt thing. Yeah, it's just a prompt thing. So I'll need to work on a little bit on this.
So you're a bit behind Rouslan,
Yeah, I
right?
think like at the moment, yeah, like, and I'm thinking like on the concepts.
All right. Are you gonna be mad if his design comes out better?
No, he's like really good designer, so like I think.
Oh, you guys are too sweet. I want a challenge here. Can you give me some like spice? But you don't have a lot of time left, so speed it up a lot, guys. I'll be back to see your designs later.
So like I already changed a little bit the concept for the visual itself, and I'm thinking that I'll be going with the already made image of the snack bar. I received some pretty nice results in general, so I'll take like the static square ratio picture of the candy bar that is in front of the galaxy. And the very nice thing on the Adobe Photoshop that it has like a generative fill to improve and extend the image to the sides, so it doesn't really matter like if like the corners are missing, you can fill it in, and it will like fulfill all the image as you can see. Like the result is much more better now, and we don't have enough of space on the left side to build the text, so I also like a little bit add here some depth, and once again I will fill it here.
I actually unexpected this, but I asked Gemini to generate me a prompt for the packaging itself. But as a designer, from the opposite side, I see it's a great ideas. Like, I can implement it, I can use it as a concept, and I have already like pretty damn good design. So it works for me.
I think you're way ahead of me, like at the moment, as I'm still trying to find my way of creating it. And okay, have you tried implementing the color palette that you had?
I tried, but I forgot about it. No, actually Gemini have done this job for me, and it mentioned like exact colors, but I will still need to double check this because I'm not sure about consistency of these results.
I'm also thinking about like what kind of text I could add to make it more advertising. Also, I haven't implemented yet the logo that I have to create, and I'm a little bit short on time. So we'll see like how it will go on.
Wow, this is stunning. Okay.
It looks that I don't know what I'm doing, like, so it's not the way that I am intended. Like, although I'm using the Photoshop selection of like the logo that I have created to implement on the healthy bar, but the mockup is not working the way I want, so I'll try another way using Nano Banana. So let's see if it will work that way. If not, like, I think I'm losing this contest.
Actually, I want to get back to the mock-up design because I thought that it would be fair to show not only on the packaging but also have some opened packaging. From my experience, it will work better for email campaigns because, you know, it's kind of small image. It's pretty straightforward to see the bar itself.
Okay, one of them is like pretty nice, so I think like I'll keep it. And yeah, as you can see, like I implemented the logo here, so the visual looks a little bit better. Like, I need some maybe textures and text for this to make it like a look an advertisement. So I'll need to find the right font here for advertising.
Guys, we're at the 5-minute mark, so you only have 5 minutes left. I saw Martinez sweating here.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
It's like more difficult than I imagined.
Pretty okay.
It's okay.
I like the font.
I'm trying hard on myself, and I hope that it will look much better at the final result. I have still 5 minutes, so I will try to do my best.
But this is looking pretty good. Like the last time I saw your screen, it was a whole mess, and now it's actually looking like an email banner. So we're getting somewhere. It's looking pretty nice. I like the bar. Rouslan, can I see your email banner, how it's coming along? You were pretty far along the last time I checked on your screen.
Yes, but
oh, these look really realistic.
You know, I slightly adjusted the prompt because, as I mentioned, I wanted to add the fruits itself.
That design of the candy bar, it looks really, really realistic, like the one at the top. I mean, I can't believe, honestly, that...
I'm hungry, actually.
Yeah, I know, same, like, right? I'm so hungry. But yours is looking nice. Yours is looking nice, too.
I'm pretty sure that he will win, but we'll see.
Okay, guys, you have a little bit of time left, so I will be back soon, and we'll go through your final designs.
I also decided to use Adobe Firefly to see like what we can do with my decided font to make it more holographic. Already, as you can see, like it uses the font pretty nicely, and it's pretty nice. Like, I like the colors and the selection here, although what the this red visual is not what I intended. Yeah, but the results are pretty nice. I think I'll use some of these. I'll just waiting also for like the other results. Oh my god, sweat emotions added. 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
God, at least my text will be big. Even it contains the word big, so then you know it's big. Like, Oh my god. It's not even funny, right? What we can add? Texture.
1 minute.
You're lying.
Ah.
I spend too much time for experimenting.
Same.
Okay, guys. 10 seconds left. So you need to finish up your designs, and that is going to be it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hands off of the computers. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, I want you guys to show me your designs full screen, and let's see what we've got here. Okay, this looks very nice, Rouslan. Oh my god, this looks really realistic. I love the little details there, like the texture is so nice.
Yeah.
It looks like a real ad. What?
But, you know,
There
there is...
Saturn? Like,
Yes,
And-
orange Saturn.
Orange Saturn. Oh my god, that's so cool.
Or Saturn.
Oh, what?
orange Saturn.
Yeah, orange Saturn. Yeah.
But what design tools, AI design tools, did you use?
My today's tool was only Freepik.
Only free.
Only Freepik. In terms of generating images. Of course,
Right.
I worked with Gemini for adjusting the prompt and so on.
Yeah? Okay, awesome. Well, I love that design. I think it looks really cool, and that you managed to basically do that with one tool is insane to me, right? I mean, really nice job. Martinez,
Yeah.
what about you?
So I managed to implement the logo on the snack bar, and then it was a very short time to create a sale message as
So
it
that's
is like
where the big text, big sale text
big
came
text,
in. Big
yeah,
text, big sale.
text on the sale. But okay, it's like I wish I made it like a little bit better, but in general, like
It
it's
looks
not
good,
It's,
yeah.
it's not Hostinger perfect, but
No,
it's okay.
No, but this is looking like still from the last time I saw it, this looks really nice. And could you zoom in? I love the like kind of holographic text thing you did.
Oh yeah.
The texture is really nice. I mean, the logo, the details in it are really nice. Of course, it could still use some work. I think the bar itself could be maybe more realistic.
Oh yeah.
Also, Martinez, one last question for you. What exact AI tools did you use? Because Rouslan used only Freepik, one single tool to do this design. What tools did you use?
Yeah, so ChatGPT for prompt generation, Midjourney for creating visuals, then Adobe Firefly for making the text in a holographic way. Of course, Photoshop creating, you know, the whole composition for the visual, but any kind of tool works here basically.
Awesome. Well, you guys both have awesome designs. Again, within the time limit I gave you, yeah, shake hands. Oh, they're such friendly competitors. We love to see it.
We're colleagues, so
True, you can't really fight. So now the $1,000,000 question. Can AI tools actually replace professional designers? What do you guys think?
Not yet.
From what I see in Rouslan, as like it's just only the Freepik that made a visual, it can make like really good product shots of the things. So all the designers have to really follow the updates and implement AI in most of the works to follow the key features and everything. So the AI wouldn't replace them because it's getting easier and easier, and maybe like anyone can use it basically now. So just follow the updates and anyone can become a graphic designer, sadly. but yeah, but it won't replace the people because people has different mindset.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And that is it for this video. You guys did absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for being here. But the real judges here are gonna be you guys, the viewers. Let us know in the comments whose design you like better, Rouslan's design or Martinez's design. Also, if you guys are interested in email marketing, a very great and beginner-friendly platform is Hosting Your Reach. So definitely check it out. The link will be in the description below, and also a very handy coupon code. And make sure to subscribe to Hosting Your Academy, as we will be doing a continuation of this video series, where next time we will have 2 video professionals try to create UGC ads using only AI tools. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.